guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another lit banger. And today's prank video is me sneezing on Arthur, my brother. But I'm not really sneezing on him, guys. Is that good? Okay, let me show you how I'm not gonna sneeze on him. What is it? Okay, so this is like a water bottle thing. Okay. So this is like a water bottle thing. It's like this. If you have one of these, all you gotta do is then water comes out of it, but you gotta make sure you cover it and like make it look like you're covering your mouth and go like, and then the water's gonna go on him. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hide the camera. Hold up. I'm gonna hide the camera. And then I'm gonna do the prank. Oh, sorry guys, we're moving right now and getting all the boxes together and stuff. So, shh.
Me and Diana built out of the map. That's how you know me and Diana was sweating right there, right? I'm telling you, man.
I'm gonna set the camera. It's stinking here.
That's not me, that's you.
Hmm?
Yeah, the first time for forever, because you faced to my floor, you bought. Stop shooting me. Stop shooting me. What is you doing? You opening the window? No. You know them white people be looking? Oh. Come on, Daddy. You a man. No scope. Oh, shoot. My fault. Yep, you a man. He beat me because he faced through my phone. Who's this? 44482. This the girl. Hello? Hello? Someone blocking her. I don't want to know. She's fat too.
They don't even know how to,
Look at Diana, you see when he be overdoing it. Now, Diana, you see what I'm saying now? See, that's exactly what he did to me, dude. Can't try to hide it. Okay, chill the freak out, dang. I'm not judging you how you play. I'm just telling you what you doing. Oh.
started with the prank.
Bro, build out of wood and stop being out of metal, man. Like, really. Stop! And I know that was water. I'm not dumb.
Sorry.
I'm gonna swim on you, man. I had it. Wow. Stop! Cause you was mad annoying. Where that height? Yeah, she keep on putting water on me. see you recording. And I saw the water bottle. I mean, that little thing. It's me and Dariana. What is he doing?
Well, I think that was good, but he's such a freaking crybaby, but whatever. I know he ain't locked that door. That's what I thought. I'm not slamming the door, it's the wind. Guys. You said what? Can I get a kiss? Itchy better suck this. Ick, ick, ick. I just got a 1,000 gift card. Guys, I just got a 1,000 gift card. I'm gonna collect that. Go, I can't collect my 1,000 gift card. Loading, okay. Do you feel low on cash lately? Yes, I'm gonna say yes. How old are you? About how many times do you go shopping? Please wait. Your email. gmail.com. Guys, I just got. Why? See, this too much. IMBR street address. I don't know the zip code. I don't even know what the zip code is. Like, date of birth. Just here. Female. I'm not doing the rest of that. I don't care if it's a gift card or nothing. They just want my address to stalk me. I'm bored. I feel like my nose is gonna be... What should I do, y'all? I don't know what I should do. Let me know down below what you thought of this challenge, guys. Yeah, let me know what you thought of this challenge. I know what I would do. It's gonna be me eating only red foods for 24 hours. It counts if it's inside. It counts if it's outside. And yeah. Bye. Make sure you go watch that video right now.